Poland. Krakow, a historic city known for its well-preserved architecture, Wawel Castle, and the stunning main market square. Warsaw, the capital city with a mix of historic and modern architecture, including the reconstructed Old Town. Wrocław, a picturesque city with charming squares, the Gothic Wrocław Cathedral, and a lively cultural scene. Gdańsk, a coastal city with a rich maritime history, beautiful architecture, and the historic Gdańsk shipyard. Zakopane, a mountain resort town in the Tatra Mountains, offering opportunities for hiking and winter sports. Auschwitz-Birkenau, a solemn historical site and former Nazi concentration and extermination camp. Malbork Castle, one of the largest medieval castles in Europe, known for its impressive Gothic architecture. Torun, birthplace of Nicolaus Copernicus, featuring well-preserved medieval buildings and a leaning tower. Lublin, a city with a mix of cultures, known for its historic Old Town and the Majdanek concentration camp memorial. Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO-listed primeval forest home to the European bison and diverse wildlife. Poznan, known for its vibrant market square, historic architecture, and cultural events. Wieliczka Salt Mine, an underground marvel with intricate salt sculptures and chambers. Częstochowa, home to the Jasna Góra Monastery and the famous Black Madonna icon. Białystok, the largest city in northeastern Poland, known for its diverse architecture and cultural events. Lodz, a city with a creative spirit, featuring industrial heritage and modern art installations. Kazimierz Dolny, a picturesque town on the Vistula River known for its artistic atmosphere. Suwałki, surrounded by lakes and forests, it's a great spot for outdoor activities. Karpacz, a mountain town in the Karkonosze Mountains, offering hiking and skiing opportunities. Ojkow National Park, known for its stunning rock formations, caves, and medieval Ojkow Castle. Bieszczady Mountains, a remote and beautiful region, ideal for hiking and exploring nature. Job opportunities. Poland has experienced significant economic growth and offers a range of job opportunities across various sectors. Some key sectors and job opportunities include information technology. Poland has a growing tech industry, offering positions in software development, IT support, and cybersecurity. Manufacturing and engineering. Jobs in manufacturing, automotive, and engineering are available due to Poland's strong industrial base. Finance and banking. Positions in finance, accounting, and banking are in demand in major cities. Language teaching. English teachers are sought after in language schools and private institutions. Tourism and hospitality. With a growing tourism sector, there are opportunities in hotels, restaurants, and travel agencies. Healthcare. Medical professionals, especially doctors and nurses, are needed in the healthcare sector. Business and administration. Positions in management, administration, and human resources are available across industries. Marketing and sales. Marketing specialists, sales representatives, and digital marketers are in demand. Research and academia. Universities and research institutions offer opportunities in academic and research roles. Logistics and supply chain. Given Poland's Central European location, logistics and supply chain jobs are available. Real estate. Jobs in property management, real estate agencies, and construction projects. Design and creative industries. Graphic designers, artists, and creative professionals find opportunities in various sectors. It's important to research the specific job market, visa requirements, and language skills needed for your desired job in Poland. Job search websites, company websites, and expat forums can provide up-to-date information on job opportunities in the country. Subscribe this channel MyWay_02.